Hey everybody, so we are going to do a leftover makeover with the potatoes from Thanksgiving. We're going to do a shepherd's pie, which is actually a cottage pie because it's hamburger and not lamb, if I'm not mistaken. So, we're going to get some booga. Got some mixed veggies. Some beef broth. Some diced onion. We're going to make gravy with it. So first we're just going to brown our meat. This will be quick and easy. Going to add our diced onion. Going to add some minced garlic. The canner has turkey noodle soup in it, and then I've got to can some turkey stew. So it's a busy kitchen today. Probably get about 4 quarts of the turkey stew, so I'll just do it in the Carrie canner. I already have a video up on that I did last year and didn't post, so I posted it this year. And that's handy for pot pies or just to eat with biscuits or mashed potatoes or noodles or in a bowl. I still got half a turkey to deal with. Get these potatoes out of the way and use them up. I've already made some potato patties. We had breakfast for dinner one night, and I love me some potato patties. So I'm going to add some pepper. I'm not going to add salt because we're going to have our beef broth, and it probably is salty enough. But hubby loves his pepper. So I will get this browned off, and then we'll be back for the next step. Okay, so I'm going to add some flour. It's about a tablespoon. And that's going to make our gravy. I've heated up the potatoes with a little bit of milk. The onions are nice and translucent. We're going to add some beef broth for our gravy. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. You could do this with turkey as well if you still have a lot of turkey meat and you don't can. you could make the filling with turkey meat. Use your leftover gravy, whatever vegetables you want, and top it with your mashed potatoes. You could layer it like a casserole. Do your turkey and gravy, put stuffing on the bottom, put your turkey and gravy on top. If you have cranberries, you could put your cranberries on top of the dressing. Add your turkey gravy mixture, top it with mashed potato. All kinds of things. We're going to add some mixed vegetables. Pea overboard. If you don't want to make the gravy yourself, you can use packaged gravy. I'm going to add some more beef broth. It's so hot in here right now. Let me get something else. Probably killing you with the metal. Sorry. I have so many projects going on right now, I can't think straight. I'm going to add a little bit of this because I want the color to be darker. I want it to look rich and beefy. Shooey, it's hot in here. My belly's on fire from this burner. It didn't make it much browner, did it? I'm going to add a smidge more. It's just not brown enough. Now I'll probably need liquid. Now we're coming around. If you have that kitchen bouquet, that's really good for adding that color you want. I'm going to get a spoon and taste it for salt. season fine. More liquid. So this is going to bake in the oven, which I need to turn on. Forgot that part. Now the color looks better. That's what the pantry's good for. Make sure I don't have any chunks of that in there. Is to have the things you need to add a smidge of this and a smidge of that. I swear my stomach feels like it's cooking. And that gravy's good. I want to make sure it's gravy-y enough because it is going in the oven. I don't want it to dry out. Because I love me some gravy. It's got nice flavor with that onion and garlic. I don't know where that accent just came from with the garlic. Okay, so we're dancing with the potatoes right now. And the flour. Turn off that burner. This to our pan. And then we are going to add our potatoes. Spread them around, and then we'll use a fork to make it more pretty. And I have more potato if I need it. Put a little bit of water in there. We'll just take the fork. The water just helps keep the potato from sticking to your fork. Spread them around. More taters in here. Get these edges. You can take some paprika and dust it on the top. And you can make it as pretty as you want, as long as you, whatever effort you want to put in there. Let's get some butter. And this was really fast to do, and I'm just going to put some little dots of butter on the top. And like I said, you can get some paprika and dust it on there. That'll give you some pretty color. This is just for me and my husband, so I'm just worried about getting it done. I got more canning to do. Get that done too. And there you go. I have the oven on 350. Yours will probably be preheated. And we will cook that until it's bubbly and hopefully browned up. So I'll see you when it comes out of the oven. Well, our shepherd's pie is ready. And it's a good thing I put a piece of foil under it in the oven. So there we go. Gravy everywhere. But it'll be good no matter what. So, utilize those leftovers. Eat them up. You can freeze your potatoes too. Create some wonderful stuff that you didn't think about before. Anyways, if you have any questions, post them down below. Like, subscribe, comment, say hi, let me know you're there. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.